go.
This is Pee Wee from AnimHobby.com. Today we have a 9118 here. Okay, so we have a canopy right here. It will come right off. It will snap right off like this. You can see. Then we have control pad right here. The battery. Okay. So hold on, guys. Let me put the canopy back on, and we can start getting the controls here. Okay, so now we have our charge. We have our charge wire, and we have our battery wire. Okay. Okay, so this is our LED lights, blue and white. Okay. And we do have a 3-channel controller right here. This is not start off controller. Okay? So we have our motor pad right here. So when you turn it on, hold on, wait, let me turn on. Okay, this comes on full motor, this comes on half motor, then this comes on a little bit motor, okay? Now, let's turn this on, and let's get rolling right here. Okay, so we just gotta wait a little bit, like a minute. Okay, so everything should be good now. We have a quick and slow right here. Quick, I like to keep it on slow, but you can turn it on quick. Okay, I keep it on slow. Now, okay, let's get rolling with the controls right here. Okay, we have motors. Okay, now we have motors right here. This is the engine. Okay, then we have side, then forward and backwards. Okay, then we have quick and slow. Then if your helicopter is turning like this way, or counterclockwise or something, you can turn that the other way and make it to go straight. Okay. Now, okay, I'll show you it. Okay, we have engine, and then we have forward, we have backward, and we have side, okay? Okay, guys, this is all we have for now. I will see you guys out onto the field. Bye.